You feel better now? Yeah? Wow. Ooh. Yeah. You took a bath. You feel better? Oh, yeah? Wow. I know. I love taking baths too. I love taking baths. I feel so much better afterwards. Yeah. Yeah. I know. What's up, YouTube? Finally back. I know it's been a while since I've made some videos. I've been busy with my baby, so yeah, just been busy, so didn't have a chance to really do much, but it's time to get started on the mid-engine Honda N600. So that's what I have in the garage today. I moved it in over the weekend, and she's gonna get ready to get that case swap in there. So yeah, just gonna show you a little bit of the interior and how I'm gonna do it, or what I'm gonna do, and then I'm just gonna get to it. I'm not really gonna do too much of explaining because of my time. I don't have too much time because I gotta watch my baby too, so just gonna do mostly like videos of me working on the car. So enjoy, guys. All right, the car is finally in the garage. As you can tell, already removed the rear axle. Everything's still pretty much the same. I just moved out some of the stuff in here. Still got quite a bit of junk in here, but pretty good junk. These are all like panels and grills and stuff like that. So, and tail lights and stuff. These seats are gonna go out. I've removed the carpet with a bunch of rat crap in the back. It's quite roomy here. I think it's gonna fit perfect, but it's gonna require a lot of cutting. I'll be probably start cutting over here because I've done a little bit of measurements. Cut the wheel wells out, cut these all out, and reinforce the frame, and then reinforce the rear of the frame and kind of connect it somehow. And that's how I'm gonna put the motor in, and it's just gonna sit right here, somewhat tilted a little bit so that it can clear this back here. So it's gonna be tilted slightly, and yeah, I think it's gonna work out great because the transmission is gonna be sitting right here, coming out this way, and I think it's gonna line up pretty good. It's gonna be a lot of cutting, a lot of measuring, a lot of time, and a lot of work, especially getting all of this surface rust off. It's just surface rust. It'll come off pretty good. As you can tell, it's not really rusted because all of these panels are pretty good. There's no rust all along here, or in here. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. Here are my engine mounts. Pretty much just mocked it up on there, put the holes in, and yeah. This is the transmission mount, and this is the driver's side, or the passenger side. Yep, that's basically it. All right, and then these are the shocks I'll be using for the rear. They have a coil setup, so it's made for a Yamaha bike, I believe, but it's a bike coilover set. And these are what I'm going to be running on the rear, but we're just gonna see how these work out. If they don't work out, I might go with a different option, but for now this is what it's gonna get. It's rated for like 2,300 pounds. No, something like that. But the car is super light, so I think it'll work out.